Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to make payments for a credit card in Citibank online. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Citibank website. So what we're going to do is go to citi.com right here. This is the main URL that you want to open up on your mobile phone. Just go ahead and download the application and open it up. And once you have done so, you'll be greeted by the home page. Now we can get started. So here from the home page, the first thing we need to do is to log into our account. So we need to log into our bank account to be able to pay our credit card bill online. So what you're going to do is log in right here. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is open an account. If you have an account but just haven't activated online, you can click the activate button right here. So once you have gotten your account, you can get started logging in. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page, and your home page is going to be your dashboard where you can take a look at your total balance, you can take a look at your payments due, and so on. And now we can get started. So basically, once you're logged in, you can go into the payment section. It's going to enable you to create a new payment. From there, we can get started. As you can see right here in this article, they're showing us how e-bills make managing bills easy. So using e-bills, we are going to go and be able to pay our bills online. And what we can do is pay our credit cards online as well. So what you can do is just go to online bill payment at the official Citibank website. It's going to be available once you are logged in. So go ahead and just pay your credit card bill like any other bill. You're going to go ahead and have all your info. So you want to make it due, just go ahead and fill out all the info and pay the amount that is due. And once you have done so with the online e-bill payment, it's going to be able to set your money that is owed to zero, and your credit card bill is going to be paid. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.